Is that it?
My mom is gonna kill me.
Yeah. So sick. It's about to go on the inside.
I don't know, dude. This looks pretty intense.
Man, that is a scary looking hole. We're debating what to do.
There's like a line here. We can do this.
I'm like sketched out from up here.
We're gonna do it. Alright, I'm just at midpoint in the cliff here. I just hiked down that little part. And then now the next part is over here. And I'm a little worried about that general area there.
Andre is kind of leading the way.
Yo, let's do it! I'm a little sketched out too, not gonna lie.
So Andre found like a cliff and he's like, we can jump down, but basically he's stuck between a cliff and then a waterfall frozen over.
Behind me right here is like pure ice. And then on my other side is like this pretty steep like cliff.
Dude, you all right? That's sketchy.
All right, so here's the deal. I was standing right there and I just kind of like slipped down. It's essentially an ice cliff that I have to try to figure out how to climb. And from as far as I know, that's the only way out of this place.
Andre decided to get a shot in the cave. So right now he's in the cave exploring a little bit.
Wow, this cave is gnarly. Yeah, I think that was worth it for sure. I need to cut in and add something here. After exploring the cave, I realized that the only way out was the way that I fell in. So I started to get worried. We stopped filming. I made it my mission to get out of that cave. On my first attempt, I got about halfway to where I was standing before I slipped, and I fell again. All right? Okay. I ripped my jeans, my hands were full of snow, and then I started to get pretty worried. On my second attempt, I gripped onto that rock so hard that my hands started to bleed. My hands are like all messed up. I gripped onto that rock and then I just fucking went for it. It's not that hard of a rock climb, but like when you're wearing sneakers like this and your hands look like that, you start to get a little worried there. All right, we did it. We overcame the abandoned mine. All right, we made it out of the mine, alive, barely.
Just barely.
Now we're just gonna hang out with a nice view. Yeah, come down, it's fine, man.
How you feeling, man?
I feel good now, but for the first time in my life, I felt like really helpless in the cave there. Like, where you're like, I don't know if I have the strength to get out of this one. Or like, I don't know if I'm smart enough to get out of this one. Like, what am I gonna do?
Yeah, so here we got travel lens on this Spivo with the flip phone mount.
Dope adventure, dude. Overall, probably wasn't worth risking that, but it was a fun experience. We did it, yo. Man. One last look.
So that's what Andre was looking at from down there.
Safety first, then adventure time.
There we go.
Another successful adventure, I would say.
That one was definitely an adventure, definitely.
All right, let's go.